Thank you and congratulations on taking the first step to kickstarting your health to new heights. We are excited to share some new services we offer at our practice: hormone replacement pellet therapy and HCG assisted weight loss for both men and women. We decided hormone therapy was the right choice for our patients to restore and optimize their hormonal balance in order to promote a significant change in quality of life. BioIdentical hormone replacement may be your answer if you find yourself struggling with extreme fatigue and difficulty sleeping, mood swings and irritability, memory loss, memory fog and confusion, hot flashes and night sweats, low sex drive and low performance, and of course, weight gain, and especially increased belly fat. A slow, steady decline in hormones was once considered an inevitable part of aging. We now know that certain hormone deficiencies are not only reversible, but that some, if left untreated, can lead to significant physical and behavioral changes. It is estimated that over 14 million men and millions of women over the age of 40 suffer from low T symptoms. Our Pure HCG protocol provides a personalized assessment, biometric measurements, hormone and vitamin testing, nutritional counseling, and a detailed follow-up process to help preserve your after results forever. Men have been able to lose up to 40 pounds and women up to 30 pounds over the course of our 6-week protocol with no injections. This is the biggest advantage of our program. Our patients simply apply a cream daily and lose big pounds and inches while gaining quality of life. Would you like to reclaim your energy, enthusiasm, and passion? Reconnect with your partner and your family? Revitalize your career? Fill out the form, and our wellness director will give you a call or contact you using your preferred method. Alternatively, just call our office today or at your earliest convenience and learn more, and schedule your appointment. Wishing you ideal health.